So here is Travis-Rilea error code. So how to fix it? So this error code is usually caused by connection issues that could either be on your end or the Modern Warfare 3 and Warzone servers. Obviously, not being able to log in is pretty annoying. So here are some tips. So how you can do that. Check the Modern Warfare server status. If servers are experiencing issues, there is nothing you can do. You just need to wait. Then just check your connection. If you can't log into Modern Warfare 3, servers are fine. Open the browser just to double check that you are actually connected to internet. Restart your router. Change your type of connection. Try to go to the wired connection if possible. So yeah, that's basically the idea. So give it a try.